Sinseollo. What is it? It's a royal hot pot of Korea. Let's learn about it.
I just gonna make vegetarian Sinseollo for the vegetarian Indian. I'm gonna cut all ingredients. So mashed tofu, saute all of the ingredients, stir fry onion, separate egg yolk and egg white again. Saute tofu ball, put stir fried onion in it. We're gonna put vegetables. We are on the last step, put ball on the top.
So this has been a royal food. So we always pour the soup is poured right before eating. To maintain the temperature, we put the charcoal in. So we all enjoyed the royal meal, amazing, colorful, beautiful, bright, and we really felt like kings and queens today. We must say thank you to His Excellency for providing us such a beautiful ambience. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.